Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about movement generating function example. This is the previous examination question. The example is find the movement generating function of a random variable x having the probability density function f of x is equal 1 by 2 e power minus x by 2 for x greater than 0 or f of x is equal to 0 elsewhere. So now coming to the solution, given that the probability density function of random variable x is f of x is equal 1 by 2 e power minus x by 2 for x greater than 0 and f of x is equal to 0 elsewhere. Now here we want to calculate moment generating function x. So we know that the moment generating function of the random variable x is given by mx of t is equal expectation of e power tx, which is equal integral minus infinity to infinity e power tx fx of x dx. So this is the equation of moment generating function of a continuous random variable x. So now here given that the density function f of x is 1 by 2 e power minus x by 2, applying the given data into this equation, mx of t is equal, so when you are applying density function x greater than 0, so x greater than 0 means 0 to infinity. So therefore mx of t is equal integral 0 to infinity e power tx into, now here the density function is given data 1 by 2 e power minus x by 2 dx. So 1 by 2 is constant, that is written before integration. E power tx into e power minus x by 2 is written as e power minus of minus t plus 1 by 2 into x dx. Integrating this term, we get mx of t is equal 1 by 2 e power minus of 1 by 2 minus tx divided by 1 by 2 minus t. Now applying upper value of x and lower value of x, we get, so minus of 2 into, so now we are in the denominator term, take the LCM, so 1 minus 2t by 2, so e power minus of 1 by 2 minus t into infinity minus e power minus of 1 by 2 minus t into 0. So infinity into something infinity, e power minus infinity, e power minus infinity value is 0. So 1 by 2 minus t into 0, 0 into something 0, so e power minus 0 value is 1. So therefore finally we get the moment generating function mx of t is equal 1 by 1 minus 2t.